Hi, my name is Ayano Akko, and this is why you should hire me in 30 seconds or less. For starters, I have massive tits. Like, have you seen these things? Second, I can speak English. To shikoshi nihongo ga harashimasu. Not to mention, I can play multiple instruments such as violas, drum, bass, and most importantly, guitar. I have a unique individual, unhinged gremlin personality. Joking, no need to throw shade. My personality is actually all 3 Choco Sandwich members thrown into a blender and turned into a cat girl. My browser history is mostly clear. I can sing. Dame, dame, dame yo, dame, dame yo. Poorly. I have a lapis shrine, do not touch, and I know basic math, which is not hypo if you are a VTuber. Most of all, most important, what I should be your next streaming star is... I know where you live. Also, how I've got to mention how my tits are mad.